apricot protein balls. Now what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of dried apricots. I've got 1 cup here of almonds, which I'm going to process into a meal. I've got half a cup here of pitted dates, which I'm currently soaking in some hot water. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil melted, half a cup of desiccated coconut plus extra to roll your balls in, and then I'll be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder and about a tablespoon of rice malt syrup. Now to make this recipe, what you need to do is first blitz your almonds until you create a nice almond meal, and then you're going to add in the rest of your ingredients and process until well combined. Then you're going to roll about a tablespoon amount of that mixture into a bowl and then coat it in some extra coconut, and then allow that to set in the fridge for about 30 minutes.